The potato slips were prepared and they were in some water. So they are there, they're ready now. So here are is one ready now. So see, nice and fresh. I'm going to plant it a bit different than before. Lay it down like that. 20 in the middle. Also, I'll be planting some corner rounds around the side there. So this is it. This is one set here. So then I'm gonna just stick them in the middle. I want to tilt it like that as well. So this is what I'm gonna do. Here they are in the container. So this is it for now. Here are there. This is the water supply.